Removing this back seat is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You'll want to open both doors, and then you'll notice there's some tabs right here and here that have to be pushed down. In order to see them, it's very stiff, so the best thing to do is press the release button and pull your seat forward. Then you can gain a little better access to what you're looking at. This tab fits inside of an eyelet. Lean the seats forward. As you can see, this one is in the eyelet, pushing down and moving it forward. Once you've got both of the eye holes pushed down and up around that clip, you can grab the seat from the center and lift up, and it'll come out, kind of like so. Once you lift it up, it's a little bit stiff because that tongue fits in this groove. If you've ever removed a back seat before, you'll know what I'm talking about.